Ashwini, after a solid Monday, are we in for a good Tuesday or a flat Tuesday?
Morning, Nikunj. After a bad Friday, I couldn't have said we'll get a good Monday. So after a good Monday, it's tough to say we'll get a good Tuesday also. This rally does not have any kind of global support. So at any point of time, the moment fund flows kind of cool off, we can reverse. So on a risk reward basis, as far as I see, 100 points downside, 150 points upside. Now that's not great odds to start with. So keep everything aside, whether we can go up 50 points or not go up. The point here is that the risk reward is not greatly in favor. So we are showing strong pullback from lower levels, and that's fine because it is a basic uptrend. But overall, we are choppy within a range, and that's not helping the case. Yesterday, if you stuck with PSU banks and realty stocks, that's where the action was. So I'm taking this market, sector by sector, instead of taking a call on the indices. Market breadth is extremely poor. In a market that's looking for a fresh breakout, if you have hardly 1.5:1 kind of market breadth, that doesn't bode well for the rally if it has to continue. So that's my take. I would be much more happier if we're able to buy at 5,800, keep a stop at 57, and play for a target of 6,150. But here, you are basically mucking around for 30, 40 points up and down. I don't think that adds great value in terms of the risk that you are taking.
Ashwini, two stocks for you, and then we'll discuss your Nifty strategy and your trading ideas. Amara Raja Batteries and Trent.
Maharaja Batteries was a call, probably a couple of days back. This is a stock that, continuously moves higher. It's difficult to say what the next target could be. If you really try very hard, maybe you are getting a next target about 350. So people who hold it should continue to hold it. It's done extremely well over the last few years. Since 2009 bottom, where it reached as low as 15 bucks. From there to about 280, that's a great stock. That adds value. So clearly people who hold it should hold on and maybe add on. Trent, it's been a choppy time for the stock over the last couple of years. It's been in this range of about 760 on the downside, 1250 on the upside. Now it's, just about above 1250. So in case, 1250 holds on, then, we are looking at another 500 bucks on the upside. But in case it starts caving into 1250, then maybe it's back in the range. And that's quite expected because this retail sector is just about, doing FDI, etc. So if it starts doing some big deals, we move on the upside. Otherwise, I think it's fairly comfortable in this little range. And if I have to choose between the two, I would still go with Amara Raja. I think retail sector will have its volatility. So Amara Raja is a business that's fairly solid.
Ashwini, let's discuss your Nifty strategy and then your trading ideas.
Well, as I said that, Nifty is going to whip people one way and the next, and probably staying away from the Nifty, or maybe, writing options, since broadly the range should be good. So Nifty for the day needs to stay above 6,007. Resistance comes in at 6,052 and 6,081. Support comes in at 5,978 and 5,933. Bank Nifty needs to stay above 12,713. In CNX IT above 6790. BTSC from yesterday, Adani Enterprises was a buy with a stop about 264, target of 286. Federal Bank was a buy with a stop about 517, target of 540. And Idea was a buy with a stop about 110, target of 121. Now fresh calls, Bank of India is a buy with a stop about 374, target of 396. Nagarjuna Construction is a buy with a stop about 54, target of 66. Muthoot Finance is a buy with a stop about 220, target of 242. Allahabad Bank is a buy with a stop about 177, target of 194. DB Realty is a buy with a stop about 146, target of 168. And Sun TV is a buy with a stop about 437, target of 465.